It is very, very necessary for us to, at a time, face the reality and stop moving from one side of the corner to another. A lot of few people on this social space do not know very well whom Mr. Governor Eziokwu is. But what I want to tell us right now is more about Mr. Governor Eziokwu. In the first place, Mr. Governor Eziokwu bụ nwafọ Ngokpala na the community a na-akpọ into autonomous community. Mr. Governor Eziokwu is a businessman, an importer for that matter, a leader with human understanding, a leader with capacity, a leader with love, and a leader who have the common interest for the development of his community, for the development of Ngokpala, for the development and betterment of Imo State and Nigeria at large. Governor Eziokwu is a man who has used his social media handle to speak for those who could not be able to stand and speak for themselves. Governor Eziokwu has, in so many ways, in his community, in Ngokpala, empowered so many people, built house for so many people, engaging the youths in a productive movement for the betterment of the community and Ngokpala at large. Mr. Governor Eziokwu ran for chairmanship election in the last LGA poll. Mr. Governor Eziokwu single-handedly, on his own capacity, sponsored the 8 councillorship candidates that contested under the People Democratic Party. The Governor Zoku, as we all know from Ngokpala, has been a man who do not support arrow, has been a man who is prepared to speak for his people, regardless of where you are coming from, regardless of who you are, regardless of what you do. For the fact that is justice, Governor Zoku will stand and speak for you. Governor Zoku has encouraged so many youths to be a law-abiding citizens. Governor Zoku has equipped so many youths in business-wise. Governor Zoku has also trained people into the academic section. But a lot of us on this social media space do not understand the capacity that somebody carry. And one of those things we fail not to do is to make research, is to ask questions. When you fail to ask questions, you are limited in some certain information that you will have. Yes. When you fail to ask questions, you are limited based on certain information. I know too well that when you ask questions also, you can still make the wrong people because of their selfish interest, because of how they do things. They can speak ill against somebody. But let me tell you, Mr. Governor Zoku is never a social media ranting, and he can never rant. He faces reality, despite who is involved. You know, the most surprising thing is all these people on social media, even many of the leaders in Ngokpala, cannot be able to do what Governor Eziokwu have done for the good people of Ngokpala. Yes, they cannot. I challenge them today. With this video, I challenge them. If they say they can be able to do what Governor Zoku have done for the good people of Ngokpala, let them come out and say it. I am a witness in Ngokpala WhatsApp platform where Governor Zoku put a challenge to all our political leaders. Anyone who is ready for the development of Ngokpala, he challenged them that he will be able to bring $5,000, let's start from somewhere, with immediate effects. But none, even in the private or in the secret, none of them responded to such. None of them responded to such. So most times what we have in Ngokpala, as I'm talking to you, is what we call Indian reader. The people who have come to destroy Ngokpala. The people who have come because of their own selfish interests, because of their family business, because of what they have to gain, not what they have to give to the public. Ngokpala has remained the way it is today because we have readers, not even leaders. We have those who gang up in one or two ways to destroy. I can remember and flashback many years ago, the road that led to our local government secretariat has been commissioned from Owele. But up till today, a group of people came and swallowed the money made for such projects. So many roads that has been commissioned, so many roads has been given the money for it, but many people, those people we think that are our leaders, they have squandered the money. 2, 3, 4 people, you see them gather, they will just squander that money and they will say nothing will happen. But let me tell you one thing they don't understand. We are not in an era in Ngopal again where we will see evil and will keep silent. If you say you no go talk, because say if you talk now, they go carry you. If you talk now, then go arrest you. Brother, even though you talk or you no talk, anything will go happen, go still happen. And it will not be good for you to die like a rat. It's not be good for you to die like a rat. It's good for you. I will be proud if I would like die like a hero. Because a hero is somebody that fights for his people. A hero is somebody that have led a legacy. A hero is somebody who have taken it upon himself to stand and speak for corruption, to stand and speak of injustice, humiliation, and intimidation. It's not somebody who only want to gain. You want to acquire everything in a space of time. You want to use your people as business. That is what is happening in Ngopala. Ngopala has become a local government today that whosoever that want to become governor will surely come to Ngopala and beg. Let me say this clearly. If they think we don't know, we know. During the time of Ohakim, Ohakim came to a place called Obuko Ozuzo on Ngopala, where Chief Anselm Nkocha was a TPM in Ozuzo. But Ohakim came to that place and slept in that place because he wants power. Because he wants the people of Ngopala to vote for him. Which one do you want me to mention? Any governorship candidate that have not gotten vote in Ngopala will lose election. This is just the simple truth. If you don't know, go and ask about it. That is why politicians, when the time comes, you will see them trooping in Ngopala, because Ngopala decide the process of somebody becoming the governor. One, the population is there and everything is there. But my question is, why is it that when these people win, they forget the process that made them who they are? Ngopala is the process that will make anybody who want to be the governor of Imo State during the election. If you say no, that Ngopala is not the process, during that time, leave Ngopala. Let's see how it goes. We can't remain silent. We can't remain like this. Like I said before, I made a post, a video I posted it. People were tagging me saying it's better for them to come and arrest me. That time will come. Listen to me very, very well. There are men who are not even listening to that thing you call arrest, who are not even afraid of it. You understand? There are men who are not afraid of your arrest when you think. There are men who want to get the experience of that arrest. You want them to arrest them. This is simple truth. So you don't just come and you say they arrest, they pick them up. Even though you pick somebody up, or even though you pick me up, does that end it? No. But rather, when you pick somebody up or when you pick me up, you have given more energy, more strength to speak more about you. Even to open your mouth, show that the world, the global space, we know who you are. So this is not time for us to keep silent again. It's never time. What we stand is let the right thing be done. And I cannot stop talking. And I cannot stop telling Ebuka Obi, Evangelist Ebuka Obi, and the Honorable Commissioner of Land, Barrister Enyine. I can't fail to tell you people the truth. I can't fail to tell people that what you people are doing is the wrong thing. You are a TPN in your own autonomous community, a whole TPN, and you are giving us such a conference, what is it called? A conference, a press conference. And you think you want us to believe you? You want us to believe you. Meanwhile, the people of Mbishi, I think, it's a high time for us to call a spade a spade. It's a high time for us to say, this is what we want, and we stand on it. And I believe through Governor Zoku, and the way he has been speaking, the way he has been voicing out, things will be done in the right direction. We never hate Evangelist Ebuka Obi for once. We appreciate him for coming. We welcome him for coming. But once you come to somebody's place, follow the due process. Because in the even though the government gave you the land, as like you people say though, you understand? See, government owns every land though, as when I talk, oh, you understand? No problem. But even though government gave you that land, as one for, are you not supposed to do omena la harime monoelu? What stops you not to come and make peace with this community? What stops you not to come as a man of God to say, let this thing end. I want peace in Imbishi. I want to carry everybody in Imbishi along. Do you know how many kings that is in Imbishi? If in that community they have like 10 kings, for example, and 8 of them or 7 of them disagree on the process of that land, you are far from doing the right thing. You don't just call 2 or 3 people, you give them 2 million, you give them 10 million, you say you have compensated this community. It is an abomination. Ebuka Obi, Evangelist Ebuka Obi, come down to Ngobala, Mbishi, do the right thing. And all these people bantering, bullying Governor Zoku, saying all sorts of things. My brother, that one concern one now. I believe on that man's capacity. We believe on his capacity. We believe on his capacity. In the history of Ngobala, no politician have single-handedly sponsored 8 councillorship candidates. Empowered them. To tell them that the future belongs to them. Nobody have done it. Even those in power have not even used government money to build house for people. But this young man has single-handedly do all these things. Are you going to talk about training people in school? Which one are you going to talk about? You see somebody that is not in power, that have not tasted political power before, uses his money to empower people, uses his money to support people, and you come out to social media, you begin to rant against that person. You are making, I don't know what you are trying to, I don't know the condemn you're putting in your memory. Because of selfish interest, you people begin to speak and say whatever that cares or whatever that you want to say. Governor Zoku is not such a man. And don't forget that 2027, Governor Zoku is coming. He is the great Charlemagne. Olilayan Dimo 2027. Nothing stop it. All we want is Senate, nothing. We don't want to go into negotiation of any call coming across, go for House of Rep. No, we want Senate 2027. And Governor Eziokwu, Mr. Governor Eziokwu is coming. We are waiting for the right time for him to say he is coming. Because we are prepared. We are prepared. Anywhere we are prepared to follow him. So let's get sense whenever we talk. Thank you.